12 English idioms about the moon.
Many moons ago. A long time ago. The event happened many moons ago. Over the moon. Extremely happy. I am over the moon for your achievement. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. The poor can afford good food once in a blue moon. Promise the moon. Make impossible or big promise that one is unlikely to keep. An honest leader never promises the moon. Shoot for the moon. To ask for the best or the most you could hope for. You might as well shoot for the moon and ask for a promotion as well as a raise. Reach for the moon. To desire or attempt something unattainable or difficult to obtain. If you want to climb Mount Everest, you will have to reach for the moon. The moon on a stick. Everything that you could possibly want, including things that are difficult or impossible to get. What more do you want? The moon on a stick. Bark at the moon. To take part in a protest that has no chance of reaching success. It is barking at the moon to tell him to study as he only cares about sports. Think one hung the moon. To think of someone as the best or to view them as perfect. Luna thinks her father hung the moon because he can always answer her questions and give useful advice. Cast beyond the moon. To consider unlikely possibilities. When considering your future career, cast beyond the moon and be willing to try things outside your comfort zone. Ask for the moon. To ask for something that is very difficult or impossible to get. The wise people never ask for the moon. Love someone to the moon and back. To love someone boundlessly and unconditionally. I love you to the moon and back.